Hey folks, Tim Whtail here from Eastern Connecticut. I am out on some power lines with a young fella named Adam. They arrowed a big deer this afternoon. Wasn't able to find the deer, so he called me, air shots, to come down and do a thermal search on the animal for him. So he's come.
Okay, so this next images that we have here, you can see in the middle of the screen, we've got an object with a white belly. And that is a classic position for an animal that has expired. And now we're going to switch over to the thermal. And you can see in the middle of the screen that we have a good thermal signature on the animal, even though it's 6 hours old. And as you look at the image, you'll be able to see Adam coming into focus and moving around the animal and his legs at the bottom. This will be the next piece coming in right here. You can see that Adam's in here and he's moving around with the deer. He's been directed to where the deer laid down, and we've got a successful recovery.
So Adam, you called us today to come out and do a thermal search for you. Tell us what happened. The deer came into you. What'd you do?
So a deer came in, shot him at 10 yards earlier this morning, and there was barely any blood, so I backed out. Arrow looked decent, but I ended up backing out, and I called Tim because I came back 6 hours later. There wasn't any blood or nothing, so I called Tim and he found it within 5 minutes.
Isn't that awesome? Far out, and you're happy. You got your deer. You've been hunting this deer for 2 years, huh?
2 years after this.
2 years.
Spot.
Outstanding. We'll get some other pictures up on the deer. All right. Perfect. Thanks, Adam.
Tim.